Hello everyone, welcome you all at Padhai Ke Funde. We are going to study about nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a minute single-celled organism. As you can see its structure, it has no mouth or anus. So the food can be taken in at any point of the body surface. Amoeba feed on minute microscopic organisms or bacteria. The mode of nutrition found in amoeba is holozoic nutrition, as we have discussed in the previous lecture, that the mode of nutrition in which animal take solid or liquid form of food, that is called as holozoic nutrition. And also we have discussed that holozoic nutrition involves the 5 steps. The first step is ingestion, means to take the food in. Second is digestion, that is to break down the food into the simpler substances. The third one is absorption, that is to absorb the nutrients from the digested food. The fourth one is assimilation, that is to use the nutrients absorbed. And the last one is egestion, that is the removal of the waste substances out of the body. So one by one we will see all these 5 steps in amoeba. In nutrition of amoeba, first of all, as when amoeba reaches near any of the microscopic organism or bacteria, as in come in the contact with the prey, then amoeba pushes finger-like projection, that is named as pseudopodia, which are also called its false food. They pushes the pseudopodia around the prey, surround and engulfs it. It take it inside its body, and then the pseudopodia encloses. Here, as you can see, now the food has been trapped inside the body of amoeba only. Then the second step, that is the digestion, starts over here. Here the cytoplasm surrounding the food vacuole secrete digestive enzyme into the food vacuole, and the food is digested into the simple molecules. You can see the cavity in which the food has been trapped, that is called as food vacuole. So inside the food vacuole some digestive enzymes are secreted, so this food has been digested here. Then the next step start, that is absorption. So by this food vacuole only, after digestion, the nutrients are absorbed by the other part of the body. After the absorption, then assimilation take place, then whole body get nourished. After this assimilation, egestion take place. Same as at the time of ingestion, the pseudopodia came out and they catch the prey. Similarly now the pseudopodia gets open from any end or any side of the body, and then they remove the waste material out from there, as amoeba has no anus. So from any point of the body it can expel the food out from the body. So under these 5 stages the nutrition in amoeba gets completed. Let us recall. Amoeba engulf food by temporary finger-like projection of its body surface, and those finger-like projections are called as pseudopodia. When a pseudopodium fuses with the food particle, it forms a food vacuole. The complex substances are broken down into simple substances inside the food vacuole when the digestive enzymes are secreted here in the food vacuole. These simple substances are then diffused into the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, that is the liquid part inside the body of amoeba. Then the remaining unwanted material is taken to the cell surface and it is thrown out.